Hola beauties, I am back with another try-on haul. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. If it is your first time here, welcome to the channel that is all about beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. Before we get into today's video, y'all already know, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure you click your bell so you don't miss out on any content. Leave me a comment and make sure you share it. Today's video is a collective try-on haul. And when I say collective, it's because I have pieces from several different places. Target, lovely Wholesale, New York Company, Shein. I will try and keep it as short and sweet as possible. But I have to let you all know, I have to show you my finds. This is really a summer collective try-on haul. I will begin with the piece that I am wearing, which is from Target, aka Target. It is really cute. It is from the Who What Wear collection. And I was just kind of casually walking through Target when I saw this green. That green just popped. It was just screaming, Ursula, Ursula, come here. That's how I felt, because it was like, when I saw it, yeah, I just had to go grab it, and I was just praying that they had my size. And I actually have on an extra small. Yeah! I really could have used that small, but they only had an extra small, a large, and an extra large. I knew the large and the extra large would have been too big. So I just went ahead, took that extra small, took a chance, and honey, it fits. So let me step back so you can see.
Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got to know.
A-line. I love the tank. Comes with this belt. And I'm so rough, y'all. It has the little belt loops that come on the side, but you know how they're really, really thin and it's really hard to kind of not break them? Well, I broke them. It has pockets. Y'all, this is really cute. Target find. Love it. My next two pieces are from New York Company. I saw these next two pieces actually on another fellow YouTuber try-on haul. I decided, oh my goodness, that is cute. The color is what got me. That was the first thing that I saw. Then the fact that it's off the shoulder. I love an off the shoulder piece. I don't care if it's both shoulders, showing one shoulder. I love it. It's a jumper, kind of wide leg. I just love everything about it. And most of all, everyone knows if you are a New York Company shopper, you know that New York Company is expensive. Without a coupon, OMG, prices are, but not this. This and the other one, I got both pieces for $15. Can you say hashtag winning? I love a deal when I can get more bang for my buck. Anywho, let me step back so you can see.
Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Yes. COVID-19 needs to get under control so that I can go to brunch, honey. This right here is definitely a brunch look. This is too cute. I love it. This is a piece that can be dressed up or it can be dressed down. It has pockets. You can put a belt around it if you want to, or you can wear it just like this. It is just cute. I love it. Here's another jumper from New York Company. Really cute, all white. We all need to have an all white piece, whether it's a dress, pantsuit, romper, whatever. Everyone has been invited to an all white party at some point, whether it's a day party, night party, whatever. But you need to have you a really cute, nice, all white outfit. Something that you could dress up or dress down that will fit any all white occasion. Now, I fell in love with it when I saw it. Let me just let you see for yourself.
All white top, all white belt, and all white jeans, body looking like milk.
Ooh, all right, come on, coronavirus. Get under control. This girl needs to go somewhere. I just have too many cute pieces that's just sitting in the closet. Let's get into this look. First, it has pockets, has a belt that it came with. It's wide leg, kind of crop, not quite to the ankle, really cute. A piece that you can dress up or down because it looks cute with sandals, or it'll look cute with some heels. I love the fit of it. It's not too tight. I love how the sleeves have this cute little detail, just a little slight puff. Now the jumper before, that was a size medium because it has a lot of good stretch. And remember, you go down a size when it's very stretchy. Now this, on the other hand, they did not have a medium available because I wanted a medium, but they did have a large. So I got the large and I was like, okay, if it doesn't fit like I want it, because I can always get it either taken in, cut, whatever. But I like it just like this. So
My chick bad, tell your chick to go.
this piece is a midi dress, one of my favorite. This piece came from Lovely Wholesale. It is a size large. If you haven't seen my try-on haul, make sure you take a look at the try-on haul from Lovely Wholesale. The card is here. I knew better, but I ordered 2 pieces. This is all I wanted. They caught my eye. But anyway, I ordered this one. It was really cute, but I just feel like it's okay. It took a whole month to receive these 2 pieces. Anyway, let's just get into the look.
Yes!
Fitted midi dress, can be dressed up or down. I love a piece that can go either way. Back. It's a little bit loose around here. This won't stay up, but overall, I do like it and I will wear it. Not really much to say about it. What do you think?
She bad, she bad.
Color is what this next one screamed when I saw it. I fell in love with the colors of it. Now, the way that it fit on the model, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. And the way that it fit on me, totally different. When I saw this dress on the model, that's what I fell in love with. That's what I wanted. But I should have known better. I still like the dress and I will wear the dress. It just won't fit me like that. It did come with a gold chain, the gold belt. Because of the way it fit, I don't need the belt. Let me just show you.
She ready. Always telling the truth.
Not the same. It's fitted. It's not loose where I can put the belt on. So I just wear it like this. I like it. I love it. I love these colors. Summertime. Father God, please help us during this COVID-19, Lord, so that we can go outside safely. Because technically you can go outside, but it's still not safe right now. So be safe, take precautions. Soon enough, it'll happen. Right now, let's just kind of get into this dress. Really cute. We have come to the last 2 pieces of the day from Shein. I just went ahead and started back here so you can see the look. 2 pieces, crop top, says love, pencil midi skirt, can be dressed up or down. You can put tennis shoes with this. You can put flip-flops, a cute sandal, or heels. Whichever way you want to rock this look, this is a very versatile look. I didn't think that I could get away with it, but it's showing just enough skin, just enough. Really cute. This is a size large, very affordable. I don't remember the price. Just take a look right here. Make sure you check the description box. Whenever I do a try-on haul, always check the description box because it may contain links to each piece that I've tried on. If I can find it, I will link it. Summertime, whether it's a midi dress or a midi skirt, because it gives you that hourglass silhouette that every lady loves.
You could seduce me with your eye. Don't want the.
I want to thank each of you for tuning in. I want to thank you for your support. I want to thank you for watching each and every video that I upload. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you order your #enhanced t-shirt. You can go to my website, www.enhancedbeautybyursula.com. Pre-order yours today for just $20. And whenever you rock your #enhanced t-shirt, make sure you #enhanced beauty by Ursula and tag me on Instagram, enhanced_beauty. I will catch each of you beauties in the next video. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click your bell, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share it. I'm speaking blessings upon you. Stay safe, stay at home, and most of all, stay popping, YouTube. Adios.